Hi, my name is Erin Bishop and I am the Marketing Director for the Boys and Girls Clubs of Carroll County. And today I have the privilege of being at Carroll Community College with a group of students from the Boys and Girls Club as part of our Summer Workforce Leadership Academy. So I was really excited today because today was our drone simulation day. So I was really excited for our youth to kind of get hands-on, getting a chance to experience what drone operation looks like, and maybe to open their minds to career paths that they hadn't really thought about before and try something new and see how that kind of meshes with some of their interests.
The workforce program that we have here with the Boys and Girls Club really samples different careers and programs we have, and it prepares them by really introducing them to the job outlook. It samples them what kind of things might need to be done in order to have a successful career in that industry. And it really, I think, it shows whether, yes, I do like that, or no, I don't like that. And it gives them the opportunity to explore things and careers that they may never have had opportunities to do in the first place.
So last year was our pilot program and we learned a little bit about what we wanted to add. We kind of used the summer workforce program kind of as the center point of our academy, and then we backtracked and added some things at the beginning, and then we have some things that we have used to enrich it on the other end for the kids that did this last year. So a lot of our kids that are attending this year have already gone through some of the soft skills development, and they're learning a little bit about what their personality style is and what their career interests are, what leadership looks like. And for the kids that experienced it last year, they're going on to the next step of having some more internship experiences and some job shadowing opportunities on things that they found that they were interested in.
I like Rain Drone because it was a new experience and it helped me learn that there's other things outside of what I want to do. Yeah, I like the leadership program because it helped guide me and gave me a little more confidence and helped me talk to other people a little easier.
So I have an older brother, and this was a program that his friends did, and it was brought to attention by my parents, and then he started doing the program, and then once I got into kindergarten, they brought me into the program as well, and as soon as I hit kindergarten, as soon as I got into that program, I fell in love with the people there, and I fell in love with the way that they bring out the good qualities of the kids there and of just everybody in general. And it was one of those it was very inspiring for everybody there, and it was an all-around great experience, and I have continued to do it ever since.
Partnership's important to us on a number of fronts. The Boys and Girls Club has been so successful at attracting boys and girls in from Westminster and from Carroll County to be able to take advantage of the programming that's there, and it's just such a vibrant center for students. The college is the same way, and the opportunity for us to work together in a way that that partnership strengthens both of our abilities to help our students and to help the students understand what their options are, understand that though they may not have thought, for example, about going to college, this gives them the opportunity to see the college close up, to be here, to meet some of the people, and to get a sense of what we offer. And it sort of demystifies college for the student a little bit. So it's a great opportunity for them, a great opportunity for us at the college.
I think it's really important to get the kids on the college campus. It takes a little bit of the scariness away of being on a college campus. It removes those barriers of what college is like. These kids have been here for 2 weeks. They know their way around. They've had a tour of the campus. They know where the bursar's office is. They know where the lounge is. They know how to navigate the hallways into the classrooms. So when they do consider going to college, it makes it a little less traumatizing, a little less scary to go on the college campus because they've been here. They know what it's like. And so I think removing those barriers is a really important part of kids identifying what their next step is. So the Boys and Girls Club is a really important opportunity for kids because number one, it gives them a safe place to be. It gives them caring adult professionals that are there to guide them, help them to kind of chart their path for their next step. So we take kids at the Boys and Girls Club as young as 6 years old, and our programs go all the way through age 18. The kids that are attending this Workforce Development Academy are getting a chance to kind of see what their next steps are going to be. Most of them are in upper middle school or high school, and it's really hard when you're 14 or 15 years old and someone says, what do you want to do for the rest of your life? Because most of them have no idea. So this is giving them a chance to try some things, see what fits, maybe see what doesn't fit. And we always tell them that it's as important to know what you do like as what you don't like, because you learn from all of that.
It is not for everyone, but hopefully you have learned something, and hopefully you have decided, yes, I would like to learn more, or hey, maybe something else.
Can we get a thank you from Mr. Jeremy?
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's been great.
Seriously.
Good job, everybody.
Yep.